Hello and welcome to this new video on how to add Metamask extension. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your web browser. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. You just have to click on it. Now you just have to type Metamask and press enter in the keyboard. And the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the second search result that says Metamask and with the logo of fox or dog in it. So you just have to click on that. And Metamask interface will be opened right in front of you. So currently I have already downloaded Metamask, so it is saying for me to view profile. Otherwise, if you haven't downloaded Metamask yet, then it will say download. And when you click on the download button, you will be redirected to the Chrome store. And when you download the Metamask from the Chrome store, and when the installation is finished, they will ask for you if you want to add Metamask to the extension. You just have to click on the OK or accept button that is shown to you, and after that the Metamask will be added to your extension of the web browser. So this is how to easily add Metamask extension. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.